Hello, my friends. This type of drum washing machine is dirtier than a toilet if it is not cleaned for a long time. Today, I will teach you how to clean such a washing machine by yourself. The first step is to find a wet towel to clean the inside of the rubber ring and remove all the hair inside, including some buttons and coins. The second step is to prepare 80 to 100 grams of baking soda and pour it into the drum. We find white vinegar and soak the towel in it. Then put the towel into the drum. The baking soda plays a role in decomposing scale, and the white vinegar plays a role in sterilization. Then we close the door and turn on the washing machine. Set the washing machine to the rinse and spin state, and then press the start button. After cleaning, we are ready. Put a rag underneath, then find a commonly used key at home and gently open the shell. After opening it, take out the black tube and twist it counterclockwise to unscrew it. We need to clean it regularly. After that, we find toilet paper to wipe all the dirt inside. In the last step, we open the laundry detergent decomposition box, press the small clip, and gently pull it, and the thing will fall off. Scrub the decomposition box clean. After cleaning it, we push it in as it was, and it can be installed. If you think this work is practical, please double-click and follow me so that you can find it when you need it. Click on my homepage to view more maintenance tips.